Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and artistic, and it has a broad scope because in this video you are going to get very simple, very easy, decent and delicate design ideas of hand embroidery that you can use for making your sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, round necks, turtlenecks, baby dresses more creative, more beautiful and more elegant. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a very simple request to you friends, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates or uploads of my channel. So friends, one more simple request, that please do try these patterns and share your experiences with us, because all of these designs are very beautiful designs, absolutely designed for everyday formal wear, for everyday office outfits, for usually lightweight denim fabric design ideas. These embroidery patterns could be made onto your denim shirts, denim jeans, denim pants, denim jacket or denim t-shirts as well. So stay tuned and stay blessed and stay connected for my latest upcoming more creative and fashion accessory based hand art, hand embroidery videos and more creativity related to fashion world. So stay tuned and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care.